Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be unboxing the Wacom Flex Arm for Cintiq Pro. In my last video, I unboxed the Cintiq Pro 24 and I mentioned that I also bought the Flex Arm and that I will be unboxing it in a different video. So here's that video. And by the way, if you're interested in buying the Wacom Cintiq Pro or you're considering it, you can check my last video for the unboxing and my initial thoughts. Anyways, guys, I have to confess that this is one of the best and functional accessories that you could get for your Cintiq Pro. In terms of price, this costs about $520. You can order it directly from the Wacom store. So let's get into the unboxing. So this is exactly how I received the package. There's an outer box, and once you cut that open, you will find another box with the actual Flex Arm. So opening up the box, there's the instructions manual, and we'll look closer at that shortly. In one of the inserts of the styrofoam box, you can find the screws, the Allen keys, and other tools that you need to assemble the Flex Arm. And under the styrofoam box are the components of the Flex Arm which you would need to assemble. They're quite heavy, so be careful not to drop them while you bring them out of the box. Looking at the individual contents of the box, again, there's the instructions manual which has everything you need to guide you through the assembly process. It also kind of lists out all the components of the box, so you can take stock, and if there's anything missing, I'm sure you probably can reach out to the Wacom team for a replacement. This is the mounting bracket which attaches to the back of the Cintiq. And here's the spring arm which attaches directly to the mounting bracket. And here's the extension arm that basically does all the swiveling. And finally, here's the desk clamp that attaches to the desk. One thing to note is that you can adjust the desk clamp to fit the thickness of your desk as well. So this is something I noticed while I was setting up. So I'm just going to keep quiet here and let you watch me assemble and set up the arm. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I will be posting more videos of me unboxing my art tools as well as my drawing process. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next video. Peace.